2015 Honda Accord, your key battery light on your dash is flashing like that. No big deal, it just means the battery in your key fob is low. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change it. So here's the key fob. First you want to get what they call the shank out. You push this little button to the side and then lift this bottom silver piece up, and this will remove the shank. Do it with two hands. I have one hand on my camera, that's why it looks kind of funny. But once you get the shank out, you can come over here and we're going to pop this in half. Those two little knobs or whatever, just put like a large flathead in between them and then turn it sideways and it'll push the key apart. This is what it should look like. Don't go crazy rage on it because you don't want to break your key fob. They're expensive. But here's your battery. Then you're going to pop this battery out very gentle. On the side there's a little spot so you can slide like a butter knife or something thin and just gently just turn it. Hold it with one hand and then just pop the battery out. This is the battery right here. It's a 2032. So let's go ahead and get a 2032. I will link it in the description. So check that to order it. If you get on Amazon, you can get them way cheaper than at the parts store or wherever, because they do the middleman markup. But put your battery in like this with the letters and stuff upwards, and then you just kind of test it out. You could test it with it apart. All right, mine's good. And then what I'm going to do is just put the key back together, line it up perfectly, and very gently and patiently just snap it together. Do not be rough with these keys. If you break it, they're like $100-200 bucks, and then you have to go to the dealer to get them programmed. But that's it, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.